Bombardino Ronaldillo.
Question 2. What is the name of this character?
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa.
If you got the first 2 questions right, double tap the screen to lock in. Exam number 3, hold down the comment button and pick a unique emoji. If you pick the kiss emoji, you are out. Do you know when you follow me, my profile picture starts dancing? Exam number 4, hold down the share button and choose a unique person. If it's your mother, you are out. If you have made it this far, save the video. Okay, final exam. Only 5% of people can get this right. Can you guess who is this celebrity?